Hi guys, Bleach here, putting the kill switch on the snowblower over here. The old one is one of those that doesn't click very good, like stays in place. Got one at the tractor supply, gonna replace it out. Place it out, does that even make sense? It does run. I gotta put the cover back on it over here. Figure out how to do that. The cover bolts are in there. So the stuff there. Also got to put the chute back on it that controls this. So let's get to it, guys. The kill switch off there was quite the chore. It's one of those weird ones, like with the other posts. All you need is something simple as this, and they install like a one that has more ampage on it. It has those horseshoe clips on it, guys. Kill switch works, guys. I heard the song just now. It's kind of creepy. Thinking about I don't want to die today, but all I got to do is put the scoop thing on there and the bottom back on there, and it's buttoned up, guys. Alright, we'll be back in a brief message from Purple. Well, guys, she's done, and she's loud, and she's smoking. I hope it's alright. That might be just the governor on the engine kicking in, because it's not pushing any snow or anything. I might sell it, I might keep it, I'm not sure yet. I'll try to get some 2-cycle gas and try it in the snow and see how it does. If it's idling that high, it's going to maybe push some snow or push the blacktop right off the driveway. Why not? But I'm going to end it here, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and peace, guys. Just comment and subscribe and check out my other videos. Take care, guys. Bye.